The power with the Fuel Super Sawzall, one of the best ones I've ever used. We've been cutting through micro-lamb headers, 2x12 headers. I think it has more power than the corded Sawzalls.
It's a lot of power, so I'm very impressed. I can cut everything.
It keeps us going. Just grab it and go. The speed on the cuts, it's a complete time saver.
The Super Sawzall is more faster than the corded ones.
I think that the 12.0 battery supplies the new Super Sawzall with the power and speed that I need on any job that I've been on. The battery lasts a considerable amount of time for us. When it comes time, grab a new battery and keep on going.
It feels very good. It's not too heavy, not too light, so it's a perfect weight.
I think we put it to the test. It's durable, it's got the power of a corded Sawzall.